ஸ்மால் சென்டென்ஸ் குட்டி குட்டி வேர்டாக போட்டிருக்கேன். கொஸ்டினும் குட்டி குட்டி கொஸ்டின் தான். அதுக்கு எப்படி நம்ம பதில் சொல்லணும்னு போட்டிருக்கேன். கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். எவ்வளோ வீடியோ போடுறேன், ஆனால் யாரும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க. அவசியம் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. The nominative singular of the first personal pronoun noun. Bobby boy said, I like Dicker dog and he likes me. I Hக்கு அடுத்த letters I. The nominative singular of the first personal pronoun noun. Bobby boy said, I like Dicker dog, he likes me. Ice. Hard frozen water, panikatti. Ice is frozen water. It is hard and cold. Beware, it is dangerous to skate on thin ice. Ice cream. Sweetened or flavored and artificially frozen. சர்க்கரை கலந்து குளிர்ச்சியான உறையச் செய்த பால். Baby brother like chocolate ice cream. ICICLE. Icicles. Frozen drops of water happening at one end. The ஒரு முனையில் கூம்பாக அமையும் உறைந்த சிறு பனிக்கட்டி துண்டு. An icicle is pointed hanging spike of ice. Independential. Identical. Just the same, அதுவேயான. Identical. Twins are exactly alike. Identically twins are exactly alike. Identify. Make out, அடையாளம் காண். To identify means the recognize or pick out the certain person or thing. Anti-IV can identify a hyacinth by its smell. Idle. Lazy. சோம்பேறியான. Lazy Jack. Jagur is idle. He is not doing anything. If providing. அப்படியானால். If it rains, I could take an umbrella. Supposing that it rains, I could take an umbrella. Igloo. Eskimo hut of snow. எஸ்கிமோக்களின் பனிக்கட்டியாலான குடிசை. An igloo is an Eskimo house that is shaped like a dome and made of blocks of hard snow. Ill. Sick. நோயுற்ற. David is ill. He has fever. He is not well. Illustrate. illustrate, make a clear படம் வரைந்து விளக்கு. Bobby Boy has written a story. Now he will illustrate it. He will draw pictures about the story. Imagine, think, கற்பனை. To imagine is to create a picture or an idea in your mind. Baby brother like to imagine he is an engine driver. Impolite, uncivil, மரியாதையற்ற. Anyone showing bad manners and rudeness to others of impolite. It is impolite to be greedy. Important of great consequence, முக்கியமான. Mount Everest is an important mountain. Your birthday is an important day. Inside, உள்ளே. Betty bear lives in a cave in the winter. Dicker dug a hole in the garden. Inch, a liner, measure, angulam. An inch is a measure of length. An inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Increase, grow larger in size or number. மிகுதி, to increase is to make or become bigger. If big eats much more than he will increase in size. Indeed, in truth, உண்மையாக. Ballerina is indeed happy with her new dress. She is really happy. Indoors, within a house, வீட்டிற்குள். You are indoors when you are inside a house or another building. If it rains, Clarence cat with stay indoors. Inflammable, easily compostable or burning, எளிதில் எரியக்கூடிய. Petrol and matches of inflammable. Inflate, buff up or smell out with air, காற்றாடி. To inflate is to blow or buff air or gas into something to make it swell out. We inflate balloons. Inform, tell, தெரிவி. Mother will inform Tommy teacher. A David with a pen. We use ink. Ink is used in the printing of books, newspapers and comics. Insect, a small six-legged lived creature. பூச்சி, flies, ants, butterfly. Gnats, bees and beetles are all insects. Inside, the part of within Ulpuram. Bouncing baby is inside the house. He is not outside. He is within. Your brain is inside your head. Intelligent, quick of understanding, புத்திசாலித்தனமான. Intelligent means able to learn and understand, thinking quickly. Interested, having one feelings exit, உணர்ச்சி பெருக்கடையும். Body boy is interested in reading and collecting autograph. Into towards inside, உள்ளே. Janity Jeep will go into the carriage. He will go inside the carriage. The wicked witch turned the prince into a frog. Invent, find out for the first time. புதிதாக கண்டுபிடி. People who invent things often become famous. Invite, ask or request to come array. Invite to ask someone politely to do something or to come to some place. Albert app like parties. Will you invite him? Iron, the commonest and most useful of metals. இரும்பு, horseshoes are made out of iron. An iron is the machine that we heat and use to press the grease out of our clothes. Island, surrounded by water. தீவு, an island is a piece of land with water all round it. Inch, an irritating skin disease. சிரங்கு, an inch is the prickly, tickling feeling to your skin that makes you want to sketch yourself. Ant bites int. Ivy, a common evergreen climbing plant. ஒருவித படர்கொடி. Ivy clinging to walls of trees by very small roots.